What is up, investors? Jason here. So I'm going to be talking about Cardano again. Yeah. I know to a lot of people, you're seeing me talk about Cardano a lot, but there's a lot going on with Cardano at the moment. So what we have is that we have fraction NFTs to be talking about. We also have the dAppStore to be talking about. We're going to be getting to that. And I want to talk about the price because it's looking absolutely amazing. Is there anybody out there that is disappointed that you did not buy Cardano when it had briefly dropped below $2? I'm hearing people say that. Anyways, we got Cardano looking real nice. It's going back up towards the previous support that it was at before the whole flash crash happened that affected the price of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin trickled down into the whole altcoin situation. That was that whole Evergrande thing that was going on with China, and a bunch of money was moving around, and you know that those institutions, they're all invested into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well, and just that money moving around really affected that whole market, but things are looking much better right now. So we're going to be getting to this quick update. We're doing a little bit of a technical analysis first, so as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button and subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to it. So looking at the cryptocurrencies, whenever we have green with Bitcoin, we know pretty much the altcoins are going to do much better. They have better luck, of course, when there's more green, when there is green with Bitcoin, and that's always represented in what you see with the prices of like Cardano as well. So we're going to get better days out of Cardano if we have good days with Bitcoin, and same will follow for pretty much all the altcoins as well. Now, looking at what we're seeing with Cardano right now, we don't have a whole lot of movement from one day to the next at this moment, but we do have a big recovery from where it was at just a couple of days ago. So seeing a trend up here, being at that 227 right now, that's a great place because we're really not that far away from that support that we did have just last week. You know, that's where we want to be. So as we keep approaching that, and that's going to really help out our path to getting to those much bigger highs, like starting to get past $3, is that we first need to get past that first barrier there where we were at with the ALONZO pricing of that 235, that 255. That's where I'm saying that's the main spot right there. We need to get past that. And then it's kind of like it's kind of like all up to what are the catalysts from that point and where are they going to take us to. So we have, you know, we've been talking about the catalysts to be looking forward to with smart contracts, but now we have more information as far as what we have looking forward to as far as what these smart contracts are, and that's what I want to be getting to right now. Now, there is some new news. I'm not sure exactly how it is going to be working, but fractionalized NFTs coming to Cardano. Product-based blockchain startup DC Spark, a new Cardano-based project called Fractional. Its codes will be released on Tuesday. Fractional will allow turning non-fungible tokens into fractions with the help of Plutus programming language. In layman's terms, the process of breaking expensive NFTs into pieces can be compared to splitting up the equity of public companies into a huge number of shares. However, the owners of FNFTs shouldn't expect a return on their investment. That's going to be interesting to pull off. Otherwise, token issuers could get in trouble with regulators for not complying with security laws. Fractionalization starts to raise a number of questions around things like, are people participating in the purchase through fractionalization ultimately functioning like an investment syndicate where they're expecting a return on their investment? Yeah, how are they going to be getting a return on their investment? That's another interesting thing there is they're buying an NFT, a fraction of an NFT, and then expecting a return on that. I'm very curious about how that is going to work, and I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts on that as well. Now, on input-output, they announced that Cardano will have a dAppStore available. Now they will preview a prototype of the dAppStore at the Cardano Summit, and that is where developers will be able to upload their dApps running on Cardano and make them available to others in the store, and will provide a trusted and democratized environment for developers to publish their dApps without facing censorship. The Plutus dAppStore specifically addresses two barriers to entry. There currently is no formal discovery process for a dApp. Almost all discovery happens through organic or word-of-mouth means, or through social media marketing. For end users, there is no consolidated view of all dApps available in a given ecosystem. Users will be able to access the Plutus dAppStore using a web browser. Think of the Plutus dAppStore as a storefront for Cardano. The store displays the range of things that you can do on Cardano. A certification program gives users assurance about the behavior of any apps that they use through automatic logic checks, manual smart contract auditing, and formal verification. Any dApp can exist on the store, whether certified or uncertified, but we will provide users with clear information about a particular dApp's certification status. The dAppStore seeks not to act as a gatekeeper or judge, but rather to provide a platform for transparent user assessment. So I think that the new things that are in the works with Cardano, with the dAppStore, I think that that's going to be something that is going to really unlock a lot of doors and really help increase the value of Cardano, because that makes Cardano more competitive in a way. And also, seeing how their currency has been going up so much in value, and this is something that is going to have more value worth of spending with the fact that there is a store, there is a means of being able to spend it somewhere, and that's going to give it more of a use, in my opinion. So I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see the price of this going up even more. It's going to be very interesting to see what does happen at the Cardano Summit. That's going to be something that is definitely going to be worth watching, because I'm sure that the news that's going to be coming out with that and with what's going on with the dAppStore, NFT gaming, NFTs in general, and whatever other news that's going to be out there is going to be a big catalyst, and we possibly will be seeing this break through that $3 that we've been trying to find support above in the previous weeks. So I think that this is going to really open up a lot of doors, and it's going to be something that is going to be worth watching. Now, I would like to hear everybody else's thoughts on this. What do you guys think is going to be happening? Is there anybody out there that is looking forward to the Cardano Summit, by the way? I want to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in the next video coming very soon.